Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, thousands of couples who were set to get married during this time of pandemic had to cut short their list of guests and even several events. But amid all this, a couple from Tamil Nadu's Madurai has made it to headlines for their unique idea of getting married in presence of all their loved ones. The couple booked an entire flight from Madurai to Bangalore and tied the knot in the graceful presence of over 130 relatives in the flight. The couple, Rakesh Dakshina, both residents of Madurai, decided to hire a chartered flight to tie the knot up above the sky in a bid to avoid the ongoing COVID-19 wedding restrictions and curfew in Tamil Nadu. A video of the unique wedding is also going viral on social media after a user posted it on Twitter with the caption, "Rakesh Dakshina from Madurai, who rented a plane for 2 hours and got married in this wedding sky." The short video clip shows the groom tying the Mangalsutra around the bride's neck as the relatives present during the ceremony cheer and shower them with flower petals. Meanwhile, regulator DGCA has launched an inquiry into the mid-air ceremony. The aviation regulator has asked for a report and the crew of the SpiceJet flight has been taken off duty. According to report, the bride, groom and their families may face action as SpiceJet says passengers did not follow rules despite repeated requests. Meanwhile, the Tamil Nadu government extended the ongoing lockdown for another week till May 31st due to the increase in the number of coronavirus cases in the state. The decision to extend the lockdown in Tamil Nadu was announced after the state reported over 36,000 fresh coronavirus cases on Friday.
पिछले 17 दिनों से देश में एक स्टेडी डिक्लाइनिंग डेली न्यू केसेस ऑब्जर्व किया जा रहा है। जैसे कि आप देखेंगे तो पाएंगे कि एक स्थाई पर 7 मई को जब देश में एक दिन में अधिकतम 4,14,000 केसेस रिपोर्ट हुए थे, एक डिक्लाइनिंग ट्रेंड के तहत वह घटते घटते 12 मई को 3,48,000, फिर घटते हुए वह 17 मई के करीब में 2,81,000 और पिछले 24 घंटे में एज लो एज 2,22,000 केसेस देश में पिछले 24 घंटे में रिपोर्ट किए गए हैं।